Hello everyone. If you're trying to open the local group policy editor or gpedit on your computer and you keep facing this error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu. You're going to write here command. You're going to right click on command prompt, go into run as administrator, click yes on here, and here you're going to put in both of these commands. I'm going to put these commands into the description of the video. You're going to put this command in. I'll also show you while this installs that I cannot open local group policy. You can see I'm facing the error. Now we'll wait for it to complete installing. It can take a minute or two depending on how fast your computer and your internet is. And once that's done, you're going to copy the other command. You're going to paste this command in. And now you're going to open up control panel. You're going to write here run. You're going to go into gpedit.msc. And here you can see we have opened up the group policy editor. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to open the local group policy editor on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.